Well, it's about 12:40 a.m. Sunday morning, I believe June 15th, and this is the tester, cable tester, the transmitter or T side of it. There's another piece, the receiver, the R side, which I'll show in a moment. But as you can see, only 3 of the LEDs are flashing. All 4 are supposed to be flashing. This indicates that the 4th pair is open. In other words, there's no connection with it. And this was an intermittent problem apparently throughout the evening, and probably has been for a long time. The connectors in the back wall there is the actual wall connector number 49 where this goes into. Here you see the other side of the cable problem. You see the first 3 LEDs working just like on the first one. This is the R side, or the receiver side of the 486R. You also see in the background number 49. That's the patch panel plug coming from the wall that the T side was connected into. All the cables that are external to the walls and the patch panel, meaning this blue cable here and the black cable for the T side, were first tested by this same tester to make sure they were good, and they were. They tested out good. So we have a problem somewhere in the wall, patch panel, or the wall connector.